couldn't sleep all last night. It's been 2 years since you left my life. Oh, I know you're stuck on the other side, but I hope this time that you'll finally say goodbye. But for now, I'll sing the songs that'll rip you from my memories. Sometimes I wanna forget. Here's to your brave soul. You fought but you lost hold, and now I'm alone to face the truth. You left me broken, shattered to pieces, and how can I go on without you? And I know you're shining ever so brightly. Won't you lead me through the night? Here's to your brave soul. I'm trying to go on without you. I dreamt of you last night. It's been 10 years since you lost your life, and you stay on my mind all the time. Now I will never say goodbye. From now on, I'll sing the songs that'll keep you in my memories. I hope I won't forget. Here's to your brave soul. You fought but you lost hold, and now I'm alone to face the truth. You left me broken, shattered to pieces, and how can I go